Bago pong lahat, para sa iba pang balita, huwag po muna ninyong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa JB News, i-like at i-share at i-on na rin ninyo ang notification bell para updated po kayo.
ABS-CBN hindi binigyan ng prangkisa ng Kamara. Hindi pinaboran ng mga kongresista ang pagbibigay ng prangkisa ng ABS-CBN. Sa resolusyon ng House Committee on Legislative Franchises, iminungkahi nito na hindi bigyan ng prangkisa ang ABS-CBN. Mula rito ay nagbotohan ng mga kasapi ng committee kung sila ay pabor o hindi sa naturang resolusyon. 70 mga kongresista ang pumabor na hindi bigyan ng prangkisa ang ABS-CBN habang 11 ang tutol sa mungkahi. 2 naman ang nag-inhibit habang 1 ang nag-abstain. Dahil sa desisyon, walang apela na magagawa ang ABS-CBN sa Kamara dahil walang ganoong hakbang sa rules. Sa susunod na 19th Congress, kung saan iba na ang Pangulo at iba na ang Speaker of the House, ay maaari mo rin mag-apply ng panibagong prangkisa ang ABS-CBN. Nauna nang sinabi ni House Speaker Alan Cayetano na conscience vote ang paiiralin sa pagboto sa franchise. Samantala, habang nagaganap ang botohan, isang karaban naman ang ginawa ng mga ABS-CBN supporters sa labas ng batasang pambansa. Kabilang sa mga kapamilya artist na sumama sa karavan sa labas ng Gate 1 ng batasang pambansa, sina Piolo Pascual at Catherine Bernardo. Maalalang nag-expire ang prangkisa ng ABS-CBN noong May 4, 2020 sa gitna ng nararanasang banta ng COVID-19 pandemic. Ayon sa pamunuan ng ABS-CBN, nag-apply sila ng panibagong prangkisa noong taong 2014, ngunit na-pending lamang ito sa 16th, 17th at 18th Congress.
Hearing resumed. Andito na po yung report ng ating secretariat. Linawin ko lang po, 85 members ang present, 44 po pala yung majority na kailangan. So, ang nag-yes, 70. Ang nag-no, 11. 2 ang nag-inhibit, 1 nag-abstain. Ayun, yun ang total. So 70 ang yes, 11 ang no, 2 nag-inhibit, 1 ang nag-abstain. The resolution to deny ABS-CBN's franchise application is hereby adopted. Pursuant to Section 49 of the Rules of the House of Representatives, all House bills and House resolutions relative to the grant or renewal of the franchise application of ABS-CBN Corporation are hereby laid on the table. The committee secretary is hereby directed to inform all the authors of the bills and resolutions of the decision of the committee in writing, and as far as practicable, though electronic mail within 5 days stating the reasons therefore.
Mr. Chair,
Mr.
Chair,
Kong Jonathan.
point of clarification lang po. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng laid on the table, Mr. Chair?
Comsec. Committee Secretary.
Para sir na ano na siya, kill.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Ibig sabihin po, itong usapin patungkol sa pagre-renew ng application ng ABS-CBN ay hindi lang po isinantabi. Ito po ay tinapos na ngayong araw na ito, Mr. Chair. Tama po ba?
That is correct. Kong Defensor.
Mr. Chair, in parliamentary courtesy, when a bill is being approved, we don't necessarily vote no because we just lay it on the table just to make it stay in the committee. But technically, Mr. Chair, for a franchise application, the effect would be to kill the application of the franchise. But it is still in our rules laid on the table. And Mr. Chair, as this is a historic moment for the House of Representatives and of course for the Filipino nation, I move that all members, Mr. Chair, who voted for the adoption of the committee resolution be made as co-authors. I so move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to include all members of the committee who voted for the adoption of the committee resolution denying the franchise application of ABS-CBN Corporation. Any second?
I second, Mr. Chair.
Is there any objection?
Who voted, not present? I'm sorry. I withdraw my objection.
Without any objections, motion is approved.
Mr. Chair,
Kong
I
Jonathan.
move that the committee adopt the other findings and recommendations contained in the technical working group report, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to adopt the other findings and recommendations contained in the TWG report. Any second?
Second, Mr. Chair.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Mr. Chair,
Kong Defensor.
for purposes of transparency, I move that we authorize the chairman of the Committee on Legislative Franchises to release the TWG report and the adopted committee resolution to the public and other committees of the House. I so move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion. Any second?
I second, Mr. Chair.
Any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Mr. Chair, mukha pong tapos na ang usapin ngayong araw na ito. Mr. Chair, I move to adjourn.
Mr. Chair,
Kong Defensor.
let me, before I second the motion, let me just congratulate you, also those who voted no. The members of the minority are all here. Those who have worked in for the 11 hearings, the 12 hearings, Mr. Chair. Let me congratulate you, Mr. Chairman, again, and the TWG group. I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, before we adjourn,
Yes.
I just want to be clarified if this committee report will still be. I just want to be clarified if this committee report will still be presented to the plenary, not anymore.
Hindi na po.
This is it, no? Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Kong Garin.
Mr. Chair, we are in receipt of some text from fellow members from the minority who would like to insert explanation of their vote.
Yes,
Just a
pwede
moment.
po isubmit na lang po sa committee. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
As there are no other matters to discuss and there's a motion to adjourn, duly seconded, hearing is adjourned.
Kabats ko pa naman to. Ito si Frank Drilon. Senator Frank, ikaw naman kahusay mong mag-criticize at kahusay mong magkomentaryo pag ikaw ay mali. Bakit? Hindi ba yung huling komentaryo mo tungkol dun sa Bayanihan Act? Sabi mo, hindi na pwedeng manghuli. Hindi na pa pwedeng mang-aresto kasi wala na yung Bayanihan Act. O hindi ba? Kaya kita nabansagan, ikaw naman, forgetful senator ka naman. Nakalimutan mo na may mga batas tayong umiiral. Nakalimutan mo may ordinansa on curfew. Kalimutan mo may ordinansa tungkol sa paghingi ng permit. Pag may demonstrasyon ka, may rally, pag hindi mo sinunod, syempre, lalabag ka, pwede kang arestuin. Nakalimutan mo yung executive order creating the IATF na pwede even under that executive order, pwede kang huliin pag nilabag mo yung mga resolution on safety protocols. Nakakita ka ng mapupuna, mali pa, bumanat ka. Ngayon na pagkakataon mo ipagtanggol itong pinirmahan mo. Frank Drilon, senador. Ba't naman nananahimik ka? Mas tahimik ka pa sa sementeryo Ikaw ang inaasahan ko. Bilib ako sa'yo Top-notcher, kritiko, sinuyod. In fact, I was even telling people using you. I said, makakalusot ba yung kay Frank? Kung yan ay unconstitutional, nasilip na yan ni Frank Drilon. Kita mo, ginagamit pa kita. Yung pala yung mananahimik ka lang. Magsalita ka. Ano man kinakatakot nyo? Dahil ang iba sa inyo ay for re-election? Tatakot kayo, akala nyo, yung mga kumukontra, ubod ng dami. As if tatamaan kayo pagdating sa halalan. Hindi po pwede. Unang-una, iilan lang naman talaga yun. Maingay lang sila na-overwhelm kayo kasi in-overwhelm kayo ng kaingayan nila na parang, sabi ko, parang mga plangganang nasa likod ng kotse pag umaandar. Ang ingay. Pero ilan lang naman yun. Baka isang planggana lang yun. But I think it's your duty, since kayo yung mga nag-deliberate nito, at kayo naman ang sumuyod nito, pinag-aralan nyo. So you have the legal wherewithals, even if you're not a lawyer, kasi diniscuss nyo Pwede nyo kagad ipagtanggol pag sinabi, yan section 29, bakit yan nagbibigay? Alam nyo namang hindi totoo yun. Hindi nyo pinagtanggol. Sasabihin, oh, ayan, ako, arresto yung sige to. Alam nyo rin hindi totoo yun. Bakit? Takot kayo na mabash. Abe, kasama yan. O, hindi ba sabi ni Presidente kagabi? Kasama lahat yan eh. Kaya siya, sabi niya, hindi ako nagbabasa ng mga hindi magaganda sa aking. Bakit mo nga naman babasahin pa? Pareho lang kami nun. Kaya yung pag tinatanong ko sa interview, how do you respond, Sec Panelo, to bashers? I don't know about them. Why not? Because I don't read them. Firstly, I don't know even how to read to access myself sa internet. Pangalawa, wala akong interest na basahin. Minsan nakabasa ako, ang reaction ko one of amusement Kaya, no, if I really want to be amused, siguro babasahin ko para tumawa. Kaya magsalita kayo. Pagtanggol nyo yung yes ninyo, huwag nyong ikahiya. Ito na ang pagkakataon. Batas na at marami pang bumabanat. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin sila. Tingnan, mamaya, babasahin natin yung mga kontra para malaman ninyo kung ano mga banat para ipaghanda nyo na mga sarili nyo. Ipagtanggol nyo yung batas na inaprubahan nyo sa Senado.
At ilan lamang po yan sa mga nakalap naming impormasyon para sa araw na ito. Huwag kalimutang i-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa aming Liana Vlogs News YouTube channel. Muli, ako si Angelica de los Santos. Magandang araw.